Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use a really fun program called Google Draw. Now to start the program, I want you to find your Gmail or your email. You can see mine right here. It says up here at the top, it's Gmail, and I'm going to click on that waffle. You see my little arrow, my little cursor? See, it's up there, and then I'm going to go down to Docs, D-O-C-S. You see that? I want you to click on Docs. Click on it 2 times. After you click on it, then you're going to see this. You see the plus sign where it says blank? I want you to click on that one. Now, I want you to go up to File. See where I have File up at the upper left? See where it says File? Look at the cursor. Okay, I'm going to click on File. Then I'm going to go down to New. You see New? Then from New, you're going to go over to all the way down at the bottom where it says Drawing. And you're going to click on Drawing 2 times. See where it says Drawing? Click right there. Now, this looks like squares, but actually it's blank. So I want you to go to where the cursor's pointing to the Shapes tool. Shape, and then go down to the rectangle that says Shapes, and I want you to go over to the rectangle and click on the rectangle. Looks like a square, kind of. Now you see a plus sign, and you're going to put that plus sign in the corner at the top and pull it all the way. See, I'm going to play with it for a minute just to show you. Boy, am I having fun with this. I'm having too much fun. Now, I'm going to pull it all the way down to the bottom corner. It looks like a blue box. Now, I'm over here at the Shapes tool again. You see my cursor playing around? I'm going to click on the Shapes. I'm going to go down to Shapes, and I'm going to find this really cool cylinder shape. I'm going to go all the way down, and then over 1. And that's called a cylinder. I'm going to take my cylinder, I'm going to click on it. I keep pointing to it. I'm going to click on it in a second. I just want to make sure you know where it's at. And there you go. There's my cylinder. Now I can move my cylinder if I click on it. Now I'm going to make my cylinder bigger by pulling on one corner. I'm going to pull on the other corner. And my cylinder is getting really big. I want it to be big because it's going to be my birthday cake. And it does look like a cake, doesn't it? Oh, there's my text box. I'm going to go up to the text box. See, it has a little box with a T inside. That's called the text box. I'm going to click on the text box, and my little plus sign, I'm going to drag it. And inside the rectangle, the blue rectangle, you see that little flashing line? Looks like a flashing eye. I'm going to type in Happy Birthday and an exclamation point. Now I'm going to highlight my words, and then I'm going to make my words fat or bold. I'm going to change the size. See where I'm pointing? I'm going to change the size of my words to 60. And then I'm going to, whoopsie, that's a little bit too big. So I'm going to go back and make it 48 point. See where it says line? I'm going to click on the line. I just want to make sure you know where it's at. I'm going to click on line. And now I'm going to draw some candles on my cake. Here we go. Whoopsie, I'm trying to make sure my candles are straight. And I'm really old, so I have a lot of candles on my cake. Maybe like almost 100 candles. See? I'm really, really old. Another way you know I'm old is because you know my hair is white. I'm an old lady. So I got to put a lot of candles on this cake. Lots and lots of candles. You might not need as many candles on your cake because you're not going to be as old as I am. Whoopsie, I'm going to go back to that little arrow. If I make a mistake, I just click on that little arrow up at the... there it is. See that one? That's the one. That's where you get rid of a mistake. Well, that's not quite as many as I need. Let me put a few more. Almost 100. Can you count that high? Now I've clicked on my cake and I'm going to go to my paint bucket and change the color of my cake. Now I'm going to highlight those words. I'm going to make them bold. I'm going to change the color of the words. I'm going to make the words bigger. And I'm going to pull the words over a little bit. There you go. And I'm going to pull the words over a tiny bit. Now, okay, I'm going to take my paint bucket tool. I highlighted the background. I selected the background. I'm going to take the paint bucket. I'm going to choose a different color. There we go for the background behind my birthday cake. I'm going to get some more shapes. I want to decorate my cake with some hearts. So I selected shapes, then I selected hearts. And now I'm going to, let's see here, make my hearts a different color. And I'm going to select heart shapes and hearts again. There we go. And I'm going to make another heart. And I want to make another heart. So I click shapes and then the heart. And I drag my plus sign to make, and then I'm going to go select shapes and heart again and draw another one. Shapes, heart, see the heart tool? And I'm going to drag it again. And I can move that around if I want to by clicking on it. I'm going to move my words down a little bit. I think I want to decorate some more shapes. And yeah, there's lots of other shapes, but I think I'm going to go back. I could pick a smiley face, a moon, a sun, but I think I'll do more hearts. Shapes, heart. Shapes, heart. Shapes, heart. Shapes, heart. And voila! There's my birthday cake. I can move my words down a little bit if I want to. Maybe I'll move my hearts a little bit. So I select it. I can select each heart and move it around if I want to. I think I'm going to move these over a little bit. You move them by just selecting them and dragging them a little bit. Now I'm going to go up to the share button. First I'm going to name my cake and I'm going to name it cake. Then press save. Now I'm going to send that birthday cake to myself. I'm going to email my birthday cake to me. So I'm putting my email address. And let's see. I'm going to send a copy to my friend because it's going to be her birthday too soon. And my message is going to be happy birthday, soul sister. That's a message I like to write to my friend. So she's going to get a birthday cake, and then I click send. I'm sending a copy to myself too. Send. And then click yes. And voila! I have made my birthday cake. I have sent it to my friend and I sent it to myself. Have a great day, everybody.